Today I'm going to show you how to do an oil pastel image transfer. The first step is to turn your picture over and cover the back of the image in oil pastel. It's easiest to use the side of the oil pastel and rub it all along where your image is on the back. You want to make sure you're pressing down nice and hard to make it very dark. Then you'll flip your paper back over on top of your painted paper and attach it with tape or paper clip. Now we take pen or pencil and we outline all of the image. You're going to make sure to be very detailed in this step, doing all of the facial features, and you want to also include the shadows and highlights. The more details that you add, the more realistic your image will look. While you're in the process of tracing out your details, you should fold over your paper every so often to make sure that it is in fact transferring onto your background. If not, go back over the spots where it didn't transfer one more time. You want to make sure that while you're doing your transfer, you're pressing down hard with your pencil or pen to really make those lines dark enough for you to see later on. You want to make sure that you're not only doing the face and hair, but also the neck and shoulders, adding the clothes that the person in your image is wearing. Once you're done with all your details, you can take your picture off of your background. Now you'll go in with the same color you used for your oil pastel in colored pencil, and we're going to add in the details and shading to make our image look more realistic. You want to pay attention to the dark shadows and the highlights and blend them together to add value to your drawing. When we're adding value, it's always better to start off lighter than darker. The reason you want to start off lighter is because you can always add more value to be darker. But once you've laid down your darkest shadows, it's very hard to fix it or take them away if you want to. It's important to take your time on this project because we're not using materials that can be easily erased, so mistakes will be harder to fix or cover up. Really take your time and go slow and enjoy the process of drawing in this medium.